How much money do you make?
When you get your license from 25 up, 40 an hour.
How did you get to where you're at?
Just put in consistent hard work. And I always use this app. So I have to photograph my work. That's where I put it, all that. It's called Timemark.
So what does it do?
Literally, it does everything, man. Let me show you. Just put all the information, the logo, your company, your name. So you just take a photo, let's say right there. You go to templates, and it has all these options for you. And let's say, I just want to share it. Could video it. It helps you clock in. Shows all the information. You don't have to do anything because it already comes with the address that you're working at. It has your location. Makes everything easier. Everything is in one app.
What's it called again?
Timemark.
So what do you do exactly?
I do construction welding or an iron worker.
How'd you get into it?
I was just looking for a job, and my uncle, he owns the company, and he gave me a shot. I didn't even know what his company was about. And when I actually started working at his shop, I saw these field guys, and they'll leave, and they'll take away all the big beams, all the columns. And then, I just wanted to see what it's all about. Got the opportunity to go to the field with them. Okay. And then from there, they started explaining me how can I make more money. And if I wanted to make more money, I had to start reading the plans, get my license for welding, because if you just weld, you'll never get an actual shot when, your license is required. I started going to school for that. When I got my license, I came back and I started getting to work.
Do you like it so far? Would you recommend it or no?
Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, it's not for everybody. Everybody's different. Me, it took me a long time to actually get my rhythm. But after I got my rhythm, it's all easy. It flows. You get your flow on. I could recommend it, but just know there's long days, there's short days. It could be really hard, but at the same time, you're occupied. There's always work.
The school that you went to, did they help you pay for it, or you had to pay out of pocket?
I had to pay out of pocket. I was paying for school, and I was paying to get my license. I was learning both subjects. I was also learning other material like TIG weld, pipe welding. So I got both different variations of it.
How much is the license?
I think I paid about $1,000, something like that.
Is it a union job here?
No, this isn't union. Yeah, it's independent. It's still a really good kick-ass company. Yeah, I love this company.
Like, how many hours do you guys work per week?
Your normal 40 hours to maybe 60. It is what it is, And there's always gonna be good days. There's gonna be some bad days, but overall, you get to learn. You get to prove yourself every day. So that's it. Yeah.
How much do they pay?
I get paid starting welding. With your license, it's 25. All I can say is that if you like to get your hands dirty, you like proving yourself all the time, this is a job for you. Yeah.
Anything else you want to say?
Man, all I gotta say is that you gotta download Timemark right now, man.
Hey, stay safe. Thank you.